Are ads in ChatGPT really the only way forward? We're on the edge of world-changing AGI that will transform every aspect of human life, but we need banner ads or it doesn't work? Well, it's official. ChatGPT is doing ads. On Friday, multiple official accounts and OpenAI spokespeople confirmed what we've suspected for a while. Users will start seeing advertisements inside their chats very soon. Ads may be shown if they are relevant to your conversations, according to the announcement, but they claim ads do not change ChatGPT answers. For now. I have some thoughts. The first is, it's kind of hard to trust OpenAI on this. See, just last month, users, including me, noticed ads, or what certainly looked like ads, inside our totally unrelated chats. I got promotions for Target while trying to solve some computer security issues, and others reported similar ad-like banners popping up inside their conversations. And OpenAI didn't really handle this well. They claimed these weren't really ads, even though they looked a heck of a lot like ads, but were shopping connectors or whatever. Then they kind of implied that users were lying about what they saw and acted like the talk about ads in chat were just silly rumors. Here's the head of ChatGPT, Nick Turley. I'm seeing lots of confusion about ads rumors in ChatGPT. There are no live tests for ads. Any screenshots you've seen are not real, but they were real. The stuff like the Target promotion I got was certainly real, and we now know that OpenAI was 100% preparing to roll out ads just a few weeks after he said that. So there wasn't a lot of honesty and transparency about this from the start. Not great. And that's the main issue I have with this news. OpenAI just doesn't have a stellar track record of being straight shooters, but we're supposed to just take them at their word that these new ads totally won't influence anything or creep more and more into your chats. Trust me, bro. And creeping into our chats is really what bothers me about this. See, a big part of ChatGPT's success is that it feels like a magical place, isolated and protected and different from the rest of the internet. It felt new and fresh, like discovering a secret library secluded away from the craziness of the world, where you can let your guard down, ask deep or silly questions without judgment, and just get away from the craziness of the other parts of the web. Maybe I'm wrong, but it feels like advertisements cheapen and ruin that special place. Now your favorite quiet library has billboards telling you to buy now. Putting ads into people's chats destroys the magic at both a psychological and aesthetic level. Another thing that bothers me about this is that it seems very uninspired and unimaginative. I mean, on one hand, we're being told that AI is about to completely transform every aspect of our lives and the entire world economy. Here's Sam Altman, quote, "This will impact all aspects of society and will be an emergent thing created and shaped by all of us. Much, much bigger than any company. Buy this hot sauce." I think the world economy transforms. We'll find new things to do. Shop at Target. Really? We're creating a hyper-intelligent oracle of truth and knowledge, and the best we can do with it is banner ads? There's another great quote from Sam in 2019 where he talks about AI being this great wise sage that will tell us how to monetize it once it's here. Quote, "We have no current plans to make revenue. We have no idea how we may one day generate revenue. Once we've built this sort of generally intelligent system, basically, we will ask it to figure out a way to generate an investment return. That day has come, and the secret way is banner ads." Oh, I was hoping for nuclear fusion or curing cancer, but look, I know I'm being a bit snarky here, and maybe that's unfair. Maybe there really is no other good way for OpenAI to generate revenue. Seems like a good reason to be a nonprofit. Maybe this really is a necessary stepping stone to the glorious AGI future we were all promised. But it sure doesn't feel like it. It feels like a disappointing corporate cash grab by people who claim to champion progress while going backwards instead of forwards. Am I wrong? Let me know with a comment, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.